The refrigerator is one of the biggest energy consumers in the home, since it's typically the only major appliance that is in constant use. Side-by-side fridges are much less efficient than top-bottom models.
Hello.
Models that have indoor ice makers and water dispensers use more energy to run than those that don't, as well as being more expensive. Make sure the fridge is ENERGY STAR qualified. Besides having more efficient technology, ENERGY STAR qualified refrigerator models also use much less energy than required by current federal standards.
Yes.
Make sure that the fridge has a high energy efficiency rating. The higher this rating, the more energy the fridge will save. You might even be eligible for tax credits. Many people have old fridges in the basement or garage that are used to store excess bulk items. Sometimes we forget about those secondary fridges, but since they tend to be old and run all the time, recycling them and buying a new one makes financial and energy sense. When you recycle your old refrigerator, your local municipality might also pay you for your efforts.